Vanilla muffins are a classic treat that have been enjoyed for generations. These delightful baked goods are known for their simple yet satisfying flavor, making them a favorite among both young and old alike. They are perfect for breakfast or a snack, and they pair wonderfully with a hot cup of coffee or tea. Whether you're starting your day or taking a mid-afternoon break, a vanilla muffin is always a good choice. These muffins are soft, fluffy, and delicious, with a texture that melts in your mouth. The golden top gives way to a tender crumb inside, making each bite a delightful experience. This recipe is easy to follow with clear step-by-step instructions that ensure perfect results every time. Even if you're new to baking, you can confidently make these muffins. Even beginners can make delicious vanilla muffins at home. With just a few basic ingredients and a little bit of time, you'll have a batch of warm, comforting muffins ready to enjoy. Let's get started. You will need some simple ingredients, many of which you probably already have in your kitchen. Flour, sugar, eggs, and vanilla extract are the main components that come together to create these tasty treats. You probably have most of them in your kitchen already, making this recipe both convenient and budget-friendly. No need for special trips to the store, just gather what you have and start baking. Get ready to enjoy the warm, comforting aroma of freshly baked muffins filling your home. There's nothing quite like the smell of vanilla muffins straight out of the oven. So, preheat your oven, gather your ingredients, and let's bake some delicious vanilla muffins together. Get your ingredients ready. You will need flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, milk, oil, eggs, and vanilla extract. These simple ingredients come together to create a symphony of flavors and textures. You will also need some tools. Grab your measuring cups and spoons, get out your mixing bowls. Don't forget a muffin tin and paper liners. First, preheat your oven. This step is crucial to ensure that your muffins bake evenly and rise properly. A well-preheated oven creates the perfect environment for your batter to transform into fluffy golden muffins. Set it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is ideal for most muffin recipes, allowing the muffins to cook through without burning the tops. Now let's make the batter. Gather all your ingredients before you start. This includes flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, milk, oil, eggs, and vanilla extract. Having everything ready will make the process smoother and more enjoyable. In a large bowl, mix together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. These dry ingredients form the base of your muffin batter. Make sure to whisk them well to evenly distribute the baking powder and salt, which helps the muffins rise and enhances their flavor. Make sure these dry ingredients are well combined. Any clumps of flour or sugar can lead to uneven baking, so take your time with this step. In another bowl, whisk together the milk, oil, eggs, and vanilla extract. These wet ingredients add moisture and richness to your muffins. The eggs help bind everything together, while the vanilla extract adds a lovely aroma and flavor. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined. Don't overmix the batter, as this can make the muffins tough. The key is to mix gently until you no longer see streaks of flour. Your batter should be slightly lumpy, which is perfect for tender muffins. Alright folks, let's move on to baking these muffins to golden perfection. This is where the magic happens, transforming simple ingredients into delightful treats. First, line a muffin tin with paper liners. This step is crucial as it prevents the muffins from sticking to the tin and makes for easy cleanup. Make sure each liner is properly placed and fits snugly in the tin. Next, fill each liner about 2/3 full with batter. This allows room for the muffins to rise without overflowing. Use a spoon or an ice cream scoop for even distribution. The batter should be smooth and consistent. Now bake them for about 18 to 20 minutes. Keep an eye on them as they bake, watching for that beautiful golden brown color. The aroma will fill your kitchen, making it hard to wait. The muffins are ready when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. This is a simple yet effective way to ensure they're perfectly baked. If the toothpick has batter on it, give them a few more minutes. Once they're done, let the muffins cool in the tin for a few minutes. This helps them set and makes them easier to handle. The cooling process is just as important as the baking. Then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. This ensures they cool evenly and prevents them from becoming soggy. Once cooled, they're ready to be enjoyed. Happy baking! Now comes the best part, serving and savoring your delicious vanilla muffins. These muffins are best served warm. You can spread butter on top for some extra flavor. Feel free to add your favorite toppings as well. Some great options include chocolate chips or blueberries added to the batter, or even a streusel topping. Enjoy!